Welcome back to Twist Fashion. So today I wanted to show you how to make a crown fascinator. Now this isn't your usual crown fascinator, I'm doing my own method. So I started off with a 7-inch wide piece of sinamay and it's 1.5 meters long, cut on the bias. So I folded the edges under and ironed them to keep them into place. And then I'm going to fold it in half again, like so. Measure this round your head, and so when you got the correct size, I'm just going to put a pin in it, a little clip to keep it in place. You found the correct head circumference measurement, pin it like I said before, and then you can start experimenting with loops. So now you can unfold it and make it a bit of a bigger loop. So aesthetically it looks nice to have a big loop on the top, and then tuck the end under. You can do two small loops or folds, or you could even keep this as a point, just make it look a bit nicer. Or I might just tuck mine in like this, or see that one's like this, and I'm going to keep this folded double just so I can loop it a bit better and loop that under. So when you're happy with how your loops look, you can start stitching this together. So this is how I've looped it. I can quickly show you how I've tucked this end under. Let's undo this one. So all I've done with that end is looped it and unfolded it just to make it a bit wider. Tucked the edge under in between these two layers, as you can see. Then just folded that on top so that hides that raw edge. Let's clip that back together. And then do a nice loop, tucking this raw edge under. And then, when that's all in place, you can stitch that all together. There you go. Also, if the headband's not sitting right on the head, you can fold, which goes underneath the hairline, you fold that underneath just to make a thinner band at the end, but that you can see that at the end once you've sewn it all together. Okay, so now I'm going to start stitching it. I'm just stitching the last little bits together to hide all the raw edges underneath, and once that's done, I'll show you what it looks like on. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please like and subscribe it if you did, and to see more tutorials. Let me know if you have any questions or any suggestions you'd like to see me make. And cool, I hope you have a nice day. Bye. The crown looks like finished. So you can wear it with your hair in front, like sort of like a hairband, or you could tuck it under and do like a bun at the back, so it covers the back of the hairband. Okay, thank you for watching. See you soon.